사실 내가 여러분 사랑하는 거 거짓말 같다고 말하지마.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reacting to Nam Joo's Bird. Yes girl, get that single, get that solo, yes! Finally! And from what I heard, Bird is produced by GIDLE, Soyeon, and written by her. So girl, you are going places! Yes! And with that, let's react to Bird! In 3, 2, 1, play! Okay, Nam Joo, yes, girl. Ooh, like the goddess she is. Ooh, okay, makeup, yes. Ooh, like a goddess theme. Okay. Ooh. Okay, sis. Okay, hair extensions, I love it. Yes. Ooh, ooh, yes. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. Oh, yes, choreography. Oh. Okay, sis. Hey. Oh. Wow. Okay, sis. Yes, sis. Woo! This is totally different from whatever APINK has been putting out. Yes, girl! Thanks, sis. Wow, Nam Joo! Okay, sis! Hey! Wow! Definitely can hear Soyeon's influence in this song. Yes, lovely. Ooh, love the outfit. Yes, sis. Oh, and her hair as well. Ooh, sis. Okay. Come on. Hey. Oh, okay, like this. Ooh, like this. Yes. Hey. Okay, sis. Ooh, okay. Okay, sis. Yes, sis. Oh, love the outfit. Yes. Oh my god, sis. Oh, love that look. Wow. Oh my god, I feel like she finally got to show like her true self. I mean, in APINK we already know who she is and everything, but then now that she went solo and did her thing, wow! And the goddess theme and the song, I think the genre is like a trap, the genre is trap, and like the bass and everything, and definitely Soyeon has a lot of influence in this song. You can hear it, like it's her, she has a stamp on it. Yes, sis. Nam Joo, wow, shine through, sis, we love it. And with that, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more of me. Thank you, bye.